Hello and welcome to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Steve, and today we're talking about a side hustle MSN says can bring in $4,600 a month in under 1 year. It's 4 simple steps, totally beginner friendly, and they're calling it passive income. They even claim you can start earning as little as $500 to $1,000 a month right away. But is it legit or just another too good to be true headline? We broke it all down, all 4 steps, and ran them through our Scam Legit checklist. And guess what? Now we've got the full tea. So, without further ado, grab that notepad and let's go. Why? Because there's money to be made and we're about to get into it. According to an MSN article, the magic formula is print on demand, selling custom products like mugs, t-shirts, and tote bags online. They claim you can hit $4,600 a month if you follow these 4 steps. Now, step number 1, brainstorm your theme and products. Don't just pick what you like, people. Pick what's already selling. Now, step number 2, make a plan, run the numbers. For example, at $6 profit per mug, you'll need about 26 sales a day to hit that $4,600 a month. That's how you know if mugs will work for you or if you need a higher priced product with better margins. Now, step number 3 is test your idea. Now, I know this sounds harsh, but skip the friends and family feedback. Spend that $10 on a Facebook or a TikTok ad instead and target your actual audience and see if they click on your product. Now, step number 4 is take it to the market. Now, Etsy and Amazon, they have the traffic, but collecting emails from day 1 is the real golden ticket. Now, why is that? So you own your customer base. Is MSN overselling this? Just a little. Yes, you can hit $4,600 a month in under a year, but only if you treat it like a business and not a lottery ticket. Most people quit before the momentum kicks in, and that's because in the early months, the earnings are slow. But if you're patient, print on demand can be a recession-proof, AI-proof way to build a steady side income. Now, I've been in self-publishing for a minute, and I can tell you, niches, data, and patience are the real keys to self-publishing. If you want the full breakdown, my pro tips, the exact tools I recommend and use myself, like Placeit, and print-on-demand pitfalls to avoid, I've got it all in this month's feature blog post at booksafterdark.com. It's all broken down with links and everything you need to get started with confidence. And guess what? All for free. The link is in the description. So there you have it, the MSN $4,600 a month side hustle in 4 steps. Scam or legit? You decide, because now you have all the tea. And quick side note, Amazon's recent pricing and royalty shakeup for low content books had a lot of us self-publishers scrambling. Now, I tested some of these MSN strategies myself to survive the change. And guess what? Sales are already up this week. I'll share the full results in a future video, so hit subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss it. Next up, want to know about the trending side hustle where some remote workers are claiming they make $1 million a year, holding down multiple jobs, and all doing a 40-hour work week? Yeah, it's pretty wild. I'll link that video right here as soon as it goes live. Also, join the family on Facebook so we can stay connected. The link is in the description. And until then, I've got nothing but love for you, and keep hustling.